Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable Task Manager on Windows 10. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Click gpedit.msc. Click and expand Administrative Templates. Click and expand System. Click and expand Control and Delete options. Double-click Remove Task Manager. Click Enable option. Click Apply, OK. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.